Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Haduh mentah ki pulit ki lakem ya sangut ki brio ki bedon keti ban penyap yo raja raku vansi. Bat kita ki sangut ki kentup ya kalok jong u ka sonam raku vansi usamla joka raj khush waha balaingut ki perlok jong raj katau akash rajput wa anan gurmi ber vishal chauhan bagi jukat sin kom viki. Khammen shwa lapau sakawepat ka kerteng. Bat kata kade kerteng jong u jitendar raku vansi. Andrei henmen jok sonam, ulapan syai bu jitendar ude para jong u, bat ukhun jok medu jong u. Ula ong bu ude briu bomnang ban thok ban puli. Andrei ka bank account ka badan hakerteng jong u, lapan don kam do kovin, nak bentai kam business, bat dan jing de eru, bat ka kes jong sonam. Andrei mentapat lapau sakawai pat ka kerteng, bat kata ka de kerteng jong Sanjay Verma. Katkum ka record ka baki pulit kilalap, laong bahaki lai tayo. Sonam kaya keren phone bu Sanjay Verma Haduh arspa laipun riu Sien. Bat kata kejia keren phone ru kam dai ke basi phang arphang. Nrei kejia keren ka nek daki kanta yak baki pulit ki don jing subasnia. Katkum ki jing tip balai alum layathu baki pulit le persang phone. Yo tau number phone jok Sanjay Verma. Nrei ka phone kala switch off. Ki pulit ka Meghalaya kilalet sa indoor. Ban Tohkit benia nagi bahayeng hasem. Ban tip we tau Sanjay Verma. Lau dai briu baki itu le dai tang kerteng ke bau raj khush waha pendon kam ban yo phone number. Ki pulit ke Meghalaya Haduh mentaru kidang dan indoor.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.